There is a quiet panic starting to settle into the offices of Intel, AMD, and Microsoft. For years, the desktop PC was a symbol of bigger is better. If you wanted to edit 8K video, train a machine learning model, or play a AAA game at max settings, you needed a massive glowing tower that doubled as a space heater. But as we move into the final days of 2025, Apple is about to commit an act of digital destruction. The Mac Mini M5 isn't just an incremental update. It is a paradigm shift. It is the moment where the power of a $1,000 workstation was shrunk down into a block of aluminum that fits in your jacket pocket. If you are a creator, a student, or a professional in the USA right now, the ground beneath you has shifted. The era of the traditional desktop PC is officially over, and Apple just held the funeral. To understand why the M5 is so dangerous, you have to look at the silicon. The M5 isn't just a faster chip, it's an AI-first architecture. Built on TSMC's third-generation 3nm process, the N3P node. This chip has a transistor density that shouldn't even be possible in 2025. While the world was looking at the M4 as the peak of efficiency, the M5 has introduced something called neural accelerators directly inside each GPU core. This is a massive departure from how Apple used to do things. In the past, the neural engine handled AI, and the GPU handled graphics. Now the lines are blurred. The M5 Mac Mini can process large language models and stable diffusion image generation up to 4 times faster than the M4, and nearly 6 times faster than the original M1. We are talking about having a localized private version of ChatGPT running on your desk with zero latency and zero cloud subscription. But let's talk about the design, because Apple has done the unthinkable. After the radical redesign of the M4 Mac Mini, which shrunk the footprint to less than half its original size, the M5 model is doubling down on compact power. It looks less like a computer and more like a high-end audio component, dense, silent, and intimidatingly fast. The thermal architecture has been re-engineered using a new vapor chamber system that allows the M5 Pro variant to maintain its peak clock speed of 4.5 GHz without ever thermal throttling. This is the Pro dream. Imagine rendering a complex 3D scene in Blender, or exporting a 40-minute 4K documentary, while the machine sits on your desk, completely silent. No fan noise, no heat, just raw, uninterrupted performance. The ports on the back tell a story of a company that has finally stopped gatekeeping professional features. The M5 Mac Mini now features Thunderbolt 5 as a standard on the Pro models, offering a staggering 120 gigabits per second of bandwidth. For the American creative professional, this means the bottleneck is gone. You can now run a 666K display setup or connect external NVMe drives that operate at the same speed as the internal SSD. It's a level of connectivity that makes $3,000 Windows workstations look outdated. And with the base RAM finally being pushed to 16 GB as the absolute minimum, the 8 GB in 2025 meme has finally been buried. Apple is no longer nickel-and-diming the entry-level user. They are arming them. But the real reason people will be forced to watch this entire video is the gaming revolution. For a decade, Mac gaming was the punchline of every joke in the tech industry. But the M5 has changed the math. With hardware-accelerated ray tracing,